Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I make a simple, savory, and super creamy butter chicken recipe. So pause the video right here, grab the ingredients, and let's get started. We're going to start off by adding 2 tablespoons of plain yogurt to a large bowl with 300 grams of chicken thigh. Then we're going to add in half a teaspoon of garlic paste, half a teaspoon of coriander powder, quarter teaspoon of red chili powder, and half a teaspoon of salt. Mix that all together so that everything is well coated. Now we're going to cover and refrigerate for 1 hour. 1 hour later, we're going to cook the chicken on the frying pan until it is well cooked. Then set it aside so we can get started on our curry. To do that, we're going to add in 1.5 tablespoons of vegetable oil to a medium-sized skillet and let the oil heat up on high heat. Once the oil is all heated up, we're going to turn the flame down to medium and add in 5 crushed cardamom seeds. Then add in 1/8 teaspoon of nutmeg and a quarter teaspoon of garlic paste, and let all those flavors infuse into the oil. After we've cooked that a bit, we're going to add in 4 large diced tomatoes, and we're going to cook the tomatoes until they've softened. Once the tomatoes have released a lot of water, we're going to set it aside to cool before we puree the mixture. Now we're going to wash that same skillet we were using for the tomatoes and add in 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. Then add in 1/8 teaspoon of ginger paste. Give that all a mix and turn down the heat to low. Using a sieve, we're going to pour the tomato puree, and that's going to remove the tomato skin, the cardamom seeds, and really give a nice smooth texture to our butter chicken. Now add a quarter teaspoon of salt and give everything a nice mix. Let the sauce cook on medium flame before adding in half a cup of 15% cream. Once you've given everything a mix, turn the flame to medium-low heat and cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Then add in 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter and let the butter melt. Once the butter has melted, we're going to add in the cooked chicken that we prepared earlier on in the video. Stir that in and let it cook for a few more minutes. Now add in 1 tablespoon of honey. Cook for a few more minutes and you are all ready to serve. If you enjoyed this recipe, give this video a big thumbs up, comment down below on how yours turned out and what you'd like to see next, and subscribe to my channel.